Poppy, Poppy. Outside. Jenna just locked us out. Ah! Come on, Noah. It's snowing and cold. Ha, Poppy. Ha, Poppy. Poor little puppy. Oh. My iPod is getting all wet. Oh, puppy. It's really cold outside, huh? Go get it. Come here. Puppy. Oh, puppy. Oh, puppy. You want to go inside, Noel? We'll go inside, Noel. Yeah. Well, it's 8:30 in the morning. It's really cold out here. It's snowing a lot harder. I don't know if you can see that. But it is. It's really cold actually. It's cold, so we're going inside. Come on, Noel. Not.